Texas MD Monthly is a premier resource for physicians and patients in Texas, and each month they feature a different doctor or organization on the cover because of all they're doing for San Antonio. And today we're being joined by those folks right there. This is Dr. Elizabeth Glazier from WellMed and Dr. Liliana Oakes. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Now, you guys must have been doing some really great stuff in San Antonio to be on the cover here. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
You bet, you bet. You know what? This is really interesting what you guys are doing. You're taking an old school approach of caregiving and you're bringing it back with a huge twist of 2016. You're now visiting patients at their homes. What is this called?
This is the WellMed and Bridges and Complex Care program. We started about 2 years ago. The vision of WellMed is to change the face of healthcare for seniors, and what we found was that many seniors, especially the sickest of the sick, couldn't access healthcare in our traditional clinics. So we decided to bring the healthcare to their homes using a high-touch, high-tech team approach.
Okay, now you're not coming in with a black bag, are you? You're coming in and basically bringing everything that they would get at your facility to their home.
Exactly.
Exactly. We have an incredible team. So what we bring is beyond technology, love, care, compassion. So we have great nurses, social workers, and a lot of staff in the office that can help to coordinate the care. So we also collaborate with other entities that can facilitate to give IV fluids in the home, to try to bring the X-ray. We draw our own labs. So we try to definitely do patient-centered care in the home of the patient.
Now, is this just a team of two, or is this a big team of doctors and nurses, and it's a big production, isn't it?
We started with a very small team, but thankfully now we've grown and expanded, and we have 9 nurses, we have nurse practitioners, MAs, LVNs, clinic admins, 2 social workers, and are really lucky to be able to service pretty much all of San Antonio with our interprofessional team.
You know, I'm sure that this came about is because of the need of realizing you have many patients that couldn't come to you. So I know those patients are very appreciative that you guys can actually come to them. They can stay in the comfort of their own home. But how beneficial is it for them?
Well, it's greatly beneficial because what we're dealing with is an aging population that is dealing with a lot of serious illness, and this illness requires an entire village of care. So the idea is to really focus on what is important to them and what their goals of care, their family, their caregiver. So many of these families feel very satisfied and they are very appreciative because they definitely were meeting a need that wasn't there before met by any other program.
Now, ladies, why is this especially important for those with diabetes and heart disease?
You know, one thing that we do, Lily talked a little bit about our high-tech approach. We can do x-rays and IV fluids, but one thing we also do is medication cabinet biopsies. We look in people's refrigerators, we open up pantries, and so especially for people with heart disease and diabetes, when diet is so essential, we actually have found ourselves getting rid of things with high sodium, getting rid of the high sugar content, and we really do get rid of medications that they no longer need.
Well, yeah, well, that's where it's starting there at the house too, and it's especially important to have you guys there where the foundation is to help with all of these elements. I love this concept. And how can somebody at home, maybe they know, maybe one of their parents, this would be good for them, or somebody they know, how would you suggest them getting registered?
Well, we are really proud to celebrate 25 years of WellMed, and WellMed definitely has expanded these services. So if you are interested in this program, please contact WellMed directly. Find out a great primary care. We have an incredible collaboration with these physicians and their teams in the clinic, and just hook with them, and then we would love to see you qualify in our household program.
Thank you for what you're doing. This is great. I know it's only been going on for about 2 years or so, but again, it's such an old school approach, but a nice twist. We're bringing it to the home, and I know the patients are very appreciative for that. So ladies, thank you. And get this, they're so nice. They're actually giving away everything that's on the table right now. Actually, I know you can't see it because there's the number. It's 470-5144, but we have some nice swag from WellMed to give away. There it is right there. So give us a call and you can win that. But again, I want to leave you more information on WellMed in case you're interested in becoming a part of the program. Just give them a call. It's 210-615-WELL. It's 9335. All this information is on their website at wellmedhealthcare.com. They're also on Facebook. But of course, we want to let you know more about Texas MD Monthly, featuring these great doctors and physicians all around town every month, and a great resource for you as a patient too. Just head to their website. It's texasmdmonthly.com. There's a number on the screen. They're located at 22211 I-10 Suite 1206. Of course, they're on Facebook and on Twitter.